Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a chatbot for your e-commerce site. By adding a chatbot for your site, you can save time and reduce the amount of work that you do. Also, you can increase sales and provide exceptional customer service if you add a chatbot for your site. So the app that we'll be using to set up a chatbot is Tidio, a powerful tool designed to increase your sales, capture leads, and deliver top-notch customer service. Also increase visitors' trust by being available 24/7. Integrating a pre-made chatbot like Tidio saves time and effort. It has a lot of pre-made templates that you can use to set up your chatbot. In terms of pricing, Tidio has a complete free plan that you can get to start with, giving access to powerful chatbot capabilities. With the free plan, you can enjoy up to 50 live chat conversations and set up 100 chatbot triggers. And also, you can always upgrade your plan accordingly. With Tidio, you can quickly integrate the chatbot functionality into your e-commerce site in under 10 minutes with no coding required. So let's get into it. It is super easy to set up. Here's what you need to do. First, go to the Tidio website using the link mentioned in the description. If you do use that link, you can get 20% off all your Tidio plans. It will give you access to Tidio premium features. In order to create an account, click this button. After that, you can create your Tidio account here. So just enter your email address and password for your account and your website link. Also, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions and just click on get started. Now here you can see a preview of your chatbot and you can customize it by using the options here. So you can first choose your name. This is the name visitors will see when they interact with it. So pick something catchy or related to your brand. This is how it is going to look like. Then you can choose the color of your chat to make it visually appealing. If you need a custom color, you can choose it by clicking this brush icon. So I'm going to choose this color to match my website theme. Once you have chosen that, you can select the language of your project. Tidio offers multiple language options to cater to a global audience. Once you've done, click continue. From here, they are asking some initial questions about your business to personalize your experience. So let's choose some different options that you think will be helpful. This personalization will be the key to a chatbot that truly understands your needs. So we've got solving problems, increase sales, talking with customers, and automating conversations. And then you can go and choose your number of agents. So I'll go with 1, but you can select as many as you need to ensure excellent customer support. You can select your industry, and I'm going to choose online store. And you can select the number of customers you had last month. I'll choose 250, and then click on continue. In here, you have to set up your welcome message. This message is the first thing visitors see when they land on your website, so it is your chance to grab their attention. Here you have 2 options, and I'm going to choose this one to greet them warmly. Now you can see a preview of your message, and you can customize it as you want. Once you've done, simply click continue. And then we have the installation step, which allows your visitors to contact you via Livechat. Depending on the platform you are using Tidio, it has different steps, but all of them have different instructions. For example, if you are on Shopify, all you need to do is provide your store name and Tidio will automatically connect. When it comes to WordPress, it has different instructions to follow, which usually involve installing a plugin. But in this case, we need to add the installation code for our website. It's a JavaScript code that we have to implement within the body tag. Let's add the code after we finish creating the account. So click continue. It will take you to the Tidio dashboard and we have already finished creating our Tidio account. Now we can connect the Tidio account with our website by adding the JavaScript code. Once we connect the Tidio account, the chatbot will be added to our website. To connect the account, click on the settings and installation and copy the provided JavaScript code. So I'm going to use this website to add the chatbot. Also, you can watch the tutorial here on how we design the website. Now we can add JavaScript code to our e-commerce website. In order to add the code, head over to your website's file manager, the location where you hosted the website files, and locate the index.html file and open it up. and I'm going to paste the code within the body tag. After that, save the file and return to your website. I refresh the page. Here you can see we've already added a chatbot to our website. So we can just test it out by sending a quick message and hit enter. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And also here you can see the chat code is installed properly. Now let's go to the dashboard home. And that will take us to our account. Here we can see our account Tidio insights. This provides you valuable data on how your chatbot is performing and much more. And now let's click on inbox where you can handle the conversations. And here you can see our message that we sent before. And also we can reply to our customer by clicking join conversation or just press enter. I'll write you a message. Also you can pick up a canned response, which are pre-written messages that save you time and keep your responses consistent. And then I'm gonna click reply. After that, on our website we can see the reply message appear that we sent. The customer gonna see the message just like this. Now talk about how we can add the template for our chatbot. It makes it easy to handle the customer conversations. In order to add the template, you simply have to go to the chatbot section left side of the panel. And after that, you have three ways of adding a chatbot. One is adding from scratch, and the second one is adding from a template. Also, we can import a chatbot. Tidio has pre-made templates that we can use. Here you can see they have set of different templates that you can use. You can use chatbot templates to increase sales, generate leads, and solve problems. Also, they've categorized them based on what you might want to do with your chatbots. It is a simple way to enhance the experience with your customer. They are very simple to use. In this case, I'm gonna choose FAQ for our online store because we can support our customers by providing quick answers to frequently asked questions. So click on Use Template button. And here you can check what are the key features template has. We can of course also test it out to see how it's gonna work. Here Tidio has already set up some general topics. After that, we can simply click Use Template. And it will take us to the editing screen where we can able to see how our chatbot gonna looks like. So we are able to see what are the messages and what are the prompts that the chatbot will showcase to our customers. And also we can edit those messages, including shipping cost, tracking details, return details, and question message by typing a new one. Just type here in your new message. Once you've done, simply click activate. And then the chatbot already going to be active on our website and it's going to provide help us and our operators. After that, we can go to our website to check how it's going to work. Here we can see our greeting message and some general topics. When a visitor lands on your website, they will be greeted with a friendly message and easy access to helpful topics. These topics cover the most common questions customers may have. With just a click, your customers can find answers to their questions instantly. And I'm going to click on the Tidio chat. Now you see general topics that we've prepared, which has all the answers to the most repeatable questions that a customer might want to ask. If you click on any question you might want to ask, you can see we've got the answers to the question. Also, but if they need something more specific or have a unique question, they can easily reach out to your support team by simply writing their questions in chat. And then the agent can start the conversation with the customer. But here you can see we don't have a logo in the chatbot. To make your chatbot even more recognizable, you can upload your logo, which you need to show in the chat. In order to add the logo, go back to Tidio website. If we come down to the settings, and appearance. And now you can upload the logo and edit the appearance of the chatbot. To upload the logo, go to the welcome image and select your logo. Now you can upload your logo here. So I'm going to upload an image of my logo, but you can go and upload any type of avatar that you want. Here you can see our logo added to our chatbot. Additionally, you can change the background color again and change the online status. Also, you can change the position of your chatbot, so whether you want it on the left or the right hand side of the screen. I'm gonna go with the default side. And also you can remove the button label and edit the label text. I'm gonna leave that as the default. And then you do have the widget sound, so you can enable or disable the sound if you want. So if you're happy with the appearance, you can go click save. As you can see, that's how you can set up a chatbot for your e-commerce site using Tidio app. It is a game changer that not only boosts your revenue but also builds trust with your customers. So I'll leave a link in the description to Tidio where you can get an exclusive 20% discount on all Tidio plans if you do use that link. And make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.